guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a little drugstore summer look. Something really bronzy and really glowy. I wanted it to be something relatable. I feel like we see all of these tutorials out there that have girls that wear lashes and all that stuff. And don't get me wrong, I love wearing lashes, but most of the time I'm not wearing lashes and I'm not in a full beat. So I decided, let me get some drugstore products. Let me ignore all the lashes and all that. If you want to wear lashes, you're more than welcome to, but this is probably a look that I would go for if I was just going to lunch or something like that. So I decided to do this look for you guys. So if you want to see how to get a quick, simple, easy, summer, glowy, glam kind of drugstore tutorial, then just keep on watching. And
alright guys, we're starting this thing off with some simple protecting light moisturizer. Love this moisturizer. I'm putting it all over my face. This step is super important if you want glowy, dewy skin for your summer drugstore look. So definitely moisture and slather that on. Next, I'm grabbing the Revlon PhotoReady Insta Filter foundation. This is that new foundation that they just came out with, and I don't really love the applicator, but I love the foundation. It makes your skin look basically poreless. So I'm just taking my flat top kabuki and I am buffing that in, and I'm pressing and buffing, pressing and buffing, just to make sure that all looks really nice and settled in. Grabbing one of my favorite drugstore concealers. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm using it as an eyelid primer for the eyeshadow that we are going to put down. Eyeshadow base is super important during the summer because things get humid and muggy and they like to crease. So definitely put that on. So this is probably the cutest palette you're going to see at the drugstore. This is the Katy Cat palette by Katy Perry and CoverGirl. It's in the shade Hot Cat, and I'm taking that nice brown color that is in the palette. It has a ton of fallout, so much fallout, but it's actually really pigmented, so I really do like it. And I'm putting that all in my crease and focusing that all in the center and towards the inner eye, kind of flicking it out towards the end because I do not really want this to be a cat eye. I just want it to be nice and blown out and natural. And don't forget for a seamless blend to hold your brush towards the end while doing windshield wiper and circular motions. Now I'm just taking that gold cat shade in the center of the palette, and I'm taking that with my finger to apply to my eyelid with my finger as well, and it's super pigmented. It's actually really pretty, guys. In person it is so reflective. I'm obviously feeling it. Then I'm just going to take a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to blend those edges out and blend it into my crease just a little bit to make it look more natural. Since I'm the most indecisive person on the planet, I decided to also go in with a pink cat and just place that at the center of my eyelid just to give it more of a pop, to give it extra dimension. Okay, so now that our eyeshadow is halfway done, we're going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal again and we're going to put that underneath our eyes. This concealer, guys, is so good. It covers so much. I think it's amazing and it's so cheap. It's probably like $3. I think I dropped some on my shirt, but it's really awesome. So we're putting that underneath our eyes. We're going to take it on our chin, our cupid's bow, down the bridge of the nose, and we're going to do our little palm tree on our forehead. Now blend like your life depends on it and blend it underneath your eyes, your forehead, blend everywhere that you put that concealer, because we are going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade light medium, and I love putting this under my eyes because not only does it help with baking, but it also leaves me a really nice yellowish cast, which is super good for brightening. Now to finish off that eyeshadow, I am going to take that brownish shade and I'm going to run it underneath my eyes, and this is just going to help tie in the top to the bottom and make it look nice and smoky. And then I'm going to take my favorite drugstore mascara of all time, the Lash Paradise mascara. Definitely use it in waterproof if you're trying to have your makeup last all day. Wiggle it at the bottom base of your lashes, make those lashes curl upwards, but definitely get a waterproof. This stuff really lasts forever. That eye is sad, obviously. I'm going in with the Essence Brighten Up powder. This is the banana powder, and this just helps brighten everything up. It's awesome, guys. But don't get it in your eyes because it hurts. For bronzer, I'm using the ever popular and amazing smelling butter bronzer, and you're gonna put that everywhere that you would normally bronze your cheeks, your forehead, that double chin. Erase it, girl. You don't want that double chin. And then I'm going to take this NARS Ita brush, and I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in the shade Dulce de Leche, and I'm going to put that in the hollows of my cheeks just to slim everything out. So this is the first time I'm using this product. This is the Revlon Sunlit Dreams palette, and I actually think it's really nice. It smooths over the skin. It doesn't accentuate anything, but it is a lit from within glow. It's not a pop-in glow that someone's gonna see you from Mars, but if you're okay with it being lit from within, then you will love it, because I really do like it. And last but not least, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Beauty Shield. It squirted all over my face. Obviously, it was the first time I ever used it, but it actually works really nice, and it smells really good too. Who remembers that SNL skit? CoverGirl. Okay, this is actually last but not least. I'm taking the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream in the shade Nude Honey all over my lips, and that will complete this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.